Hello there, my friend. And how are you today? I'm so happy you came to join us and play. It's animal trivia, so let's start playing the game. We'll get a clue and first letter to figure out the animal's name.
I am small and have poor eyesight, but can bring down the biggest of men. Cats try to catch and keep me away, and I start with the letter M. M. Mouse.
Good job! I learn something new every single day. See you real soon again, I hope, to read and play. And don't forget, let's say it together loud and clear.
It's always story time in here.
Bye-bye.